Classic, spacious, and minutes from city amenities, except this house also offers a forced air heat pump, fenced backyard, and walkout basement.
Welcome inside 76 Biden Drive.
First up is the open concept great room, which includes the kitchen with a large island and breakfast bar,
and the dining area with patio doors to the back deck.
Down the hall, you'll find the home's main bathroom and 3 bedrooms.
Including the primary with a walk-in closet and ensuite bath.
The finished lower level offers 2 more bedrooms and a family room with walkout access to the backyard.
It also has another full bathroom with laundry and access to the attached garage.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 76 Biden Drive,
visit frederictonhomes.com.